The 550W 45,000 pascals wireless vacuum cleaner is a cutting-edge handheld cordless electric broom designed to make home and car cleaning a breeze. This vacuum cleaner combines an incredibly powerful motor with smart, user-friendly features like an LED touch display and green light dust detection. It's a versatile, efficient, and convenient cleaning tool that is perfect for tackling a wide range of messes, from everyday dust to stubborn pet hair. Powerful suction and motor. The vacuum is driven by a high-performance 550W brushless motor that delivers an ultra-strong suction power of 45,000 pascals. This immense power effortlessly removes dust, pet hair, and debris from various surfaces, including floors, carpets, sofas, and even hard-to-reach high shelves. Intelligent LED touch display. The intelligent LED touch display is a key feature that provides a seamless and intuitive user experience. With a simple tap, you can adjust the suction power to match your cleaning needs. The display also provides real-time battery status and smart alerts for filter replacement, ensuring optimal performance and maintenance. Our innovative green LED dust detection is one of the most unique and effective features. Using a 500 to 570 nanometer wavelength, a green light illuminates the floor, highlighting invisible dust and pet hair that are often missed by the naked eye. This feature makes cleaning 50% more effective and is particularly beneficial for pet owners and allergy sufferers, as it ensures the thorough removal of dander and allergens. Extended battery life and multi-surface cleaning. The vacuum is powered by an 8-cell 2500 mAh battery that provides a long 40-minute runtime on a single charge, allowing for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Its lightweight and cordless design, combined with an adjustable telescopic pipe, makes it versatile for multi-surface cleaning in the home or car. Advanced 6-layer filtration system. To prevent secondary pollution, the vacuum is equipped with a comprehensive 6-layer filtration system. This system efficiently captures microparticles and allergens, ensuring that the air expelled from the vacuum is clean and fresh. Convenient and user-friendly design. The vacuum's design is focused on convenience. It features a wall-mountable design for easy and tidy storage. The multi-surface cleaning capability is supported by various attachments, making it perfect for every nook and cranny. In summary, the 550W 45,000 pascals wireless vacuum cleaner is a truly modern cleaning appliance that combines powerful performance with intelligent features. Its ultra-strong suction, smart LED display, and innovative green LED dust detection system make it a highly effective tool for a deeper clean. With its long battery life, advanced filtration, and user-friendly design, this vacuum cleaner is an excellent solution for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine and achieve a cleaner home.